If you are staying within Dallas and want to explore some wildlife, then must visit this Fossil Dream Wildlife Center. Here you can explore wildlife and roam within the park with your own vehicle. You can feed giraffe, deer, zebra. Also, you can see rhino. Okay, and yeah, this way giraffe and other animals can approach you and you can feed them like this. Here we tried to feed giraffe and giraffe ate it very happily, and it's very unique and different experience. You should definitely try it. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.